Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm going to try and harvest my potato which I've planted in June, July, I think, something like that. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to harvest one of the pots or the sack which I planted in. So let's go and see. So you can see here there are some plants that are still growing. Yeah, and this one is dying. Yeah, this one is dying, and this one has already been dead. So this is the one that I'm supposed to harvest. Yeah. Oh, it's finished. It's done. Okay. So I planted it in a pot that has got a pocket. Let's just see whether there are any ones. Ooh, there's one here. Nice one. There's another one. I've already plucked some, but let's see how it goes. This is my first time doing, so if there's any, it will be nice. Oops. There are little ones here. Oh, let's see. There's a, oops. Oh, these are the plants that can still grow. Those are voila. Is it voila? This one can still flower. Ooh, this one is quite a lot. There you are. Another one. Another one. Another one. Ooh, I love harvesting. Here you are. I think this is from one plant. There's another one. Yeah. Oh, these are tiny ones. There are more tiny ones. This is a big one. I think that's about all. Let me check. Oops. Oh, I think that's about all. Oops. That's about all. So that's it. That's quite a lot. The reason I'm harvesting it today is because today is quite a nice day. It's bright and sunny. For the past few days we haven't got very nice sunlight, so I can't take nice photos and videos. Here we are. I think next year I'll try some more, but I think I'll try and plant sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are so easy to plant in the tropics, but here we have a short growing season, but it's okay. So here you are. The potatoes, where are you? There you are, the potatoes. That's quite a lot. So let me try and show you again. Okay. There. Not too bad. You can have a meal with it. So that's my potato harvest. I think I still have a few more plants. This one, it wasn't ready and I planted late, but it's turning yellow now, so it should be good for harvesting. Yeah, there's some here. And there's another one here which is still growing. It seems you only harvest when the leaves like dies and turn yellow. So I think this can be harvested in a few weeks time. So here we are. Potatoes, potatoes.